Hello, if you are wondering what kind of the charger you can use with your Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones. So first of all, on the box you can find that information. They recommend us to use from 7.5 watts up to 25 watts. So it will allow us to charge them pretty fast. But I'm actually using this one from Motorola, the 125 watts super powerful adapter, and it's also working. And what I want to say that you can use much more powerful power adapters than this box recommendation, and the headphones gonna limit that power automatically, so you don't have to worry that you're gonna damage that headphones during the charging or something like this. I'm actually using also this cable that is connected into my PC, and it also allows me to simply charge it. So now after I just plug it in, it will light up with the orange light, which means that the device is charging properly. And this is it. Just a quick information for you. You don't have to use that original cable for sure. You can use your cable from your phone, from your tablet, basically from any other devices. Like in my case, as you can see, this one actually comes from Rainstone. I'm not sure what is that company, but it's working properly and charging my headphones.